Bake the perfect crispy coffee cookies with this easy recipe. Hey there, cookie lovers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a special treat for you, crispy coffee cookies. If you're a coffee enthusiast like me, you're going to absolutely adore these cookies. They're packed with the rich aroma and flavor of coffee, and the best part? They're delightfully crispy. So, let's get started and whip up a batch of these mouthwatering treats together. Don't forget to grab your favorite mug of coffee to enjoy alongside these cookies. Ingredients: 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup unsalted butter, softened, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1 tablespoon instant coffee granules, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 large egg. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. In a small bowl, dissolve the instant coffee granules in 1 tablespoon of hot water. Set it aside to cool. In a mixing bowl, cream together the softened butter, granulated sugar, and brown sugar until light and fluffy. Add the cooled coffee mixture and vanilla extract to the bowl and mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. Gradually add the dry ingredients to the butter mixture, mixing until just combined. Beat the egg in a small bowl and then add it to the dough, mixing until the dough comes together. Take small portions of the dough and roll them into 1-inch balls. Place the dough balls on the prepared baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches of space between each cookie. Use a fork to flatten each dough ball slightly, creating a crisscross pattern on top of the cookies. Bake the cookies in the preheated oven for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the edges turn golden brown. Remove the cookies from the oven and allow them to cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once the cookies are completely cooled, they are ready to be enjoyed. They should have a crispy texture with a delicious coffee flavor. And there you have it, our delectable crispy coffee cookies. They're the perfect combination of crispy texture and that irresistible coffee kick. Trust me, once you take a bite, you won't be able to stop. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more delicious cookie recipes like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time with another scrumptious treat. Until then, keep baking and savoring those sweet moments. Bye. Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The Adult Alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.